Hi, it's Fiestaro. Hello, all signs. So this is your messages, energy check-ins, and yeah, prediction. Okay, so syempre, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. Okay, and syempre, kung may tanong pagdating sa ating private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. And syempre, kung may tanong sa ating mga item, oo, yung all-in-one evil eye bracelet, yung ating evil eye ring, and ang ating necklace, so just message me. Okay, direct message, okay, sa atin pong FB page, ha? Okay, so let's start with you, air signs, Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius. Okay. Ano bang meron? Ano bang kailangan yung marinig? Kailangang malaman, mga ganyan. Okay, so tingnan natin. The Wheel of Fortune. Changes. This is nice. What's with the Wheel of Fortune? Oh, the Eight of Swords. Okay, this is an energy of releasing. Okay? From a situation na parang kinalugmok mo or parang nakakadena ka, may mangyayaring pagbabago. Lalo na kung bibigyan mo ng effort. Okay? Lalo na kung bibigyan mo ng effort, lalo na kung tatrabahuhin mo. Okay? So, some of you, this is a connection or a romantic connection, mga ganyan. Okay? So, may pag-usad akong nakikita na pwedeng mangyari or pwedeng gagawin. Okay, ang mga air signs. Okay. Hang on, hang on. Okay, so, what else for you? What else for air signs? Gemini, Libra, and Aqua. The King of Wands in reverse. Oh, and the Queen of Wands in reverse. What's with this? Ano ito? Okay. So, meron ditong parang energy ng new connection. Okay? Pero andyan yung parang hindi to pwede. Bakit? May pair dito. Pero both naka-reverse. Pwedeng sabihin nating may kanya-kanyang dahilan kung bakit hindi pwede. Okay? Some of you, meron ditong naghihintay ng another chance. Okay? I guess, meron ditong energy na parang sabihin nating aalisan or tatapusin para sa ikabubuti. Parang ganyan. Okay? Kasi, yeah, Eight of Swords, the Queen of Wands na magkatabi. Yes, I think energy yon ng parang hindi makausad, ganyan, walang progress, parang feeling mo, wala kang kakayahan na gawin yung mga dapat pang gawin because of this. The King of Wands universe, this is energy of an energy of someone who is manipulating, controlling you. So, I guess, unang-unang card mo is the Wheel of Fortune. So, this is changes. Okay? So, I guess, meron ngang pwedeng may mag-risk, no? Mag-take risk na kumawala sa pagkakadena, no? Parang ganyan. Okay. The High Priestess, the Knight of Swords. Some of you, meron ditong bibigyan ng kasagutan, bibigyan ng closure, or ikaw yung magbibigay ng closure or kasagutan sa isang bagay na parang confusing. Okay? So, meron ditong someone na pwedeng mag-share ng secrets. The High Priestess, this is secrets. For the better. Yeah, for growth or para sa improvement, gagawin ito. May gagawin yung iba sa inyo. Kahit sabihin natin hindi nyo gusto, ayaw nyo yan, ayaw nyo gawin to, pero para sa ikabubuti, I'll do it. Parang ganyan. Okay? Yeah, sadness man ang magiging resulta, pero yeah, magiging okay rin naman in the end. Okay, that's a nice reading. Okay, next is fire signs. Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius. Okay, so anong meron for you guys? Fire signs. Okay. The Ten of Coins. The Four of Swords. Taking a break. Pagdating sa career. Excuse me. Pagdating sa love. Some of you. Okay. Excuse me. Meron ditong parang merong hindi kayo kakausapin na member ng isang family. Or pwedeng coworker, kasamahan nyo sa trabaho. The Hermit in reverse. The Page of Cups. Someone's emotion. Pwedeng lumantad, pwedeng lumabas, pwedeng malaman mo. Meron ditong magbibigay. Yeah, may magbibigay, may mag-open up. Okay, ng kanilang emosyon pagdating sa'yo. Okay? So, the Seven of Swords in reverse. Pwedeng sinikreto pa. May offer, may iba sa inyo pagdating sa workplace. Pero pag-iisipan pa. Pero pag-iisipan nyo pa ito ng mabuti. Okay? The Three of Coins in reverse. Okay. So, yeah, the Magician in reverse. Okay, so, pagdating sa, sabihin natin, ay, wait lang. Padaanin muna natin si kuya. Oo, ito ay commercial. Okay. So, tayo magbalik. The Three of Coins in reverse and the Magician in reverse is an energy of someone in the parang work environment. Someone is like talagang hindi nagiging totoo sa'yo. Okay? They're like plastic. May mga ganyan. Okay? So, be careful. Lalo na kung ikaw itong may something na parang i-open up sa kanila. Okay? May masasaktan. Pero, ang ipapakita sa inyo, they're like being silent. Silence ang ipapakita ng isang ito. Pwedeng ikaw. Kasi pwedeng, may biglang umalis. May biglang mag-disconnect. Someone's emotions is talagang maapektuhan. I don't know kung ano to. Okay? So, yun lang ang nakikita ko. Wala na. Next. Water signs. Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. Okay, so anong meron? Anong meron for you guys? Water signs. Okay. The Four of Swords. This is silence. This is breakup. This is separation. This is like resting. Some of you, this is praying for something. What's with the Four of Swords? Yeah, this is energy ng breakup, energy ng separation. The Four of Wands in reverse. Okay? Yeah, someone will may energy rito na parang may makikipag-break. Through communication, through chat. Okay? Someone is thinking about na umalis. Okay? Pwedeng kung may mga tao na aalis sa buhay nyo or mga ganyan, may makikipag-break, pwedeng pinag-isipan nila yon. Hindi yun biglaan. Okay? Pinag-isipan yon. So, mhm. Yung iba sa inyo pwedeng mag-i-stay sa bahay. Nakakita ko dito may mag-a-absent sa work kinabukasan or talagang tatamadin lang. Energy is tamad na tamad. Okay. Someone is hoping for for a new beginning. Pero nag-failed. Yeah, the Nine of Swords. A lot of thinking. There's an air sign or maybe you're thinking of someone talaga. Okay, the Four of Swords, the Nine of Swords is a lot of thinking. Yeah, the Five of Cups. Someone is so sad. Maybe this is your energy. This is Five of Cups. This is water sign. Maybe you're pwedeng iba sa inyo may mangyayaring pag-iisip dahil may mangyayaring separation or bigla na lang may back out. Parang ganyan. Okay, yeah. May ending rito. Oh, this is death. Okay? There is regrets. There is, yeah. Kung ano man itong mag-e-end na to, pwedeng dumating sa punto na merong manghihinayang, merong mag-iisip, pero na namang hindi makakatulog ng maganda sa gabi. May ganyan. So, maybe, kung hindi ikaw to, someone is, experiencing, that situation right now. Okay? What else? Water signs. Yeah, the Ten of Swords. A lot of swords. Ano ang umiikot sa utak nyo, water signs? This is talking about endings. Someone is too afraid pagdating sa isang separation. Yeah. Yeah. See? The Eight of Wands. Ito yun. The Three of Cups in reverse. Energy of some of you, third party. So, pwedeng may mag-e-end because of a third party situation. Pwedeng may lalayo. Pwedeng may may magka-cut off. Okay? Yeah, the Two of Wands. Because of the confusing energy, someone is confused. Or sabihin natin, hindi dapat ganito. Dapat meron, dapat walang isipin. Parang ganyan. Yung iba sa inyo dumaranas ng separation or dumaranas ng heartbreak. Oo, parang ganyan. Is parang, someone is sad, totally sad. Super duper sad. May sumasakit na ang ulo. May nag-iiyak. There's a communication na pwedeng mangyari. Okay? So, yeah. Puro, siguro may maraming nag-iisip sa inyo or ikaw itong maraming iniisip. Kung sino man yan, may nangyaring breakup, may nangyaring separation sa inyong dalawa. Okay? Kung sino man yun. Oo. Next is Earth signs. Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorns. Okay. So, anong meron? Energy check-ins. Messages. Prediction. Tingnan natin. Anong ibibigay for you, Earth signs? The Ace of Pentacles in reverse. This is a missed opportunity. Okay? Yeah, the Five of Cups. Someone wants to move on. Okay? Mula sa isang missed oportunidad. Okay? Yeah. and wanting to move forward. The Knight of Wands, kahit hindi sure ang patutunguhan. Someone wants to move on. Maybe you. Okay? Or pwedeng may water sign. May mga fix dito pagdating sa kaperahan. Okay? In general. Death in reverse. The Tower in reverse. Parang ang energy na nakukuha ko rito from you, Earth sign, is something like a situation where lagi na lang binabalik-balikan. Okay? Kaya hindi nagkakaroon ng sabihin nating ending or talagang closure because of the Tower in reverse. This is na-avoid. Okay? Maybe someone is avoiding na rin talaga na magkaroon pa ng another repeat or another cycle. Kung ano man ito, the Two of Cups in reverse, maybe this is an energy of romantic connections. Okay? So, someone is avoiding a repeat. Ayoko na ng repeat. Parang ganyan. I'm too tired. Pagdating sa ganyang connection. Yeah. Oh, this is your past person. So, maybe you're tired pagdating sa isang past person o water sign. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. This is water sign. This is Six of Cups. Yeah, tired of the on and off situation. This is on and off. The Ace of Wands in reverse. Okay? You have a lot of, reverse na ace. So, para siyang energy ng delay. Okay? So, if ever maraming delay sa buhay mo, kailangan mong i-end kung ano man yung mga parang bumabalik-balik. Totally. Okay? Kailangan mo nang i-end. Para makamove ka, kahit sabihin nating unsure ka sa mga pwedeng mangyari. Okay? Yeah, the Seven of Cups. Okay? Magkaroon ka ulit ng plano. Some of you, meron ditong confused. The Seven of Cups. And the Nine of Wands. Someone is trying to avoid. Okay? Avoid. Ayun ang nakikita ko. Avoid na magkaroon ng confusion. So, they're like maybe trying to guard themselves. Okay? Yeah. The Seven of Swords. Someone is being sneaky. This someone is a liar. Meron ditong parang hindi na kayang magtiwala. Okay? Meron ditong hindi na kayang magtiwala. The Hierophant. Some of you, the Wheel of Fortune is here. And the Chariot in reverse. Energy is Cancer. I don't know if this is a fixed sign. Or, and another Cancerian. So, someone is like going back to you because they have a lot of drama sa buhay nila and then gusto nila nandyan ka. Parang ganyan. Okay? If they're bit-bit lang nila is if they're giving you confusion, a lot of mixed signals, a lot of delays. So, I think ito yung mga kailangan yung i-end. Okay? Kasi kung ano man ang mga nangyayari sa buhay nila, pwedeng yun rin is ma-share nila sa'yo. Yung energy is maaapektuhan. Energy niya, energy mo, kapag ikaw itong mababa yung guard, pwedeng maapektuhan ka na kung anong energy meron siya. Okay? So, don't get confused. Kung kailangan mong i-guard yung sarili mo from those kind of energies, do it. If you need to cut them off, do it. Okay? Just be practical. Enough with the emotions. Unahin lagi utak. Okay? Be practical. Yeah. Be the Queen of Swords. See? Hindi emosyon, utak lagi. And yeah, hindi ka naman ipapahamak niyan. Madalas, napapahamak tayo kapag emosyon ang gumagana. Okay? So, we need to be strong. Yeah? Siyempre. Para rin sa inyo. Okay? Para rin sa sarili nyo. Yeah. Iba sa inyo talaga may bumabalik someone from the past. And yeah, still, nandun pa rin eh. Nandun pa rin yung past baggages, the past trauma, mga ganyan. And I think ang tawag dyan, nakaka-epekto sa growth ninyo as an individual. Okay? So, yeah, we don't need that. Basura natin yan. Okay? So, there. Yun ang ating reading for you. All signs, again, thank you and goodbye.